shape these rice balls?
Of course, dear. Let us make them small and round together.
Look, the grass is so green today.
The spring breeze makes everything feel so alive.
These taste like sunshine and happiness.
They were made with love for this special day.
Do these clouds look like fluffy white kittens?
They certainly do, my little artist. Today was truly wonderful. I feel so recharged. A quiet break is all we need to start again with strength.
Will we go back tomorrow?
We will wait for another sunny day to visit again. Tea tastes better after a long walk.
It warms the heart, just like the memories we made.
I love our small adventures together. As do I, my dear. They are the brightest parts of my day.
It is a beautiful morning, Mom.
The sun is calling us for another adventure. Can we take this for our picnic? Of course, it is the perfect treat for the hill.
I see a butterfly over there.
Follow it gently, but do not stray too far.
This shade feels so cool.
The oak tree has been here for a very long time.
The story is so exciting.
Good books are like good companions on a journey.
Buff looks so happy.
He loves the wide open space as much as we do.
Can we come back tomorrow?
We will keep it as our special weekend tradition. Home feels so warm after being out. It is the heart of our days.
Water tastes best after running.
Hydration is important for little travelers.
I am hungry for soup.
A warm bowl will be ready soon.
It smells so good.
Fresh vegetables from the market make all the difference.
Thank you for this meal, Mom.
You are most welcome, my dear.
I will put them away.
Thank you for your help, little one.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, sweet dreams, dear.
Another sunny day.
It is a gift to see the morning light.
The flowers like the morning water.
Everything grows when we give it care.
Look at the kitty.
He is a neighbor just passing by.
The air is so fresh.
Nature is the best medicine for a busy mind.
Yum.
I made them especially for you.
Tell me a story about when you were little.
When I was your age, I used to love climbing hills too.
Bop is ready to go.
He definitely remembers the hill walk. The view is even better today. It truly never gets old. Right here is perfect.
Ah.
A great spot for our lunch. Delicious. Homemade food is the best.
I think my cloud looks good.
You have a great eye for shapes.
The hill is clean again.
It is good to leave nature better than we found it.
I feel very happy.
And that is all I could ever want. Bop is tired too. He had a big day as well.
Good night again, Mom.
Good night, sleep well. Should we go back today? It is a beautiful morning, why not?
Let's go.
Hold on, do we have everything?
The clouds are moving fast today.
They race with the wind.
It tastes better on the hill.
Everything is seasoned with fresh air.
Look at this one. Oh.
Very creative, dear.
I feel refreshed.
Nature has that power.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, sweet dreams.
What's for breakfast? Hot tea and fresh fruit. It's so warming.
It is a great start to the day.
Home is lovely. Yes, it is. Should I help?
Of course, thank you.
I'm ready for another day.
That's the spirit.
It's a beautiful afternoon.
Yes, the light is so soft.
Good night again.
Rest well, dear.